What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have something special if you guys are into Mediterranean food. Not really Mediterranean food, but it's gyros. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys don't already know, you guys can see it behind me. We're actually at Yiro Yiro. Yes, it's Mediterranean, but most specifically we're here for the gyros. So it's just gyros with french fries on top. I'm dying to see what actually it's going to taste like. Let's go. So I'm dying to see what it actually tastes like. I'm curious about the flavors. Okay, oh, the french fries, the beef, the lamb. Extra tzatziki sauce is necessary. All right, man, thank you. No problem. Have a good one, man. This is gonna be so freaking good. Now we can't really eat it inside because of the COVID situation going on. You know, they take it very serious. But I'm a little upset. I'm not upset. I'm not really hurt. But he didn't want to cut the meat for me. So we're just gonna have to get in the car, try it, and see how it tastes. All right, you guys. So you know I'm gonna have to get down on this gyro. I'm smelling it. The flavors is definitely coming through. You can actually smell the building from across the street. But yeah, let's get into it. Look, so this one is the this is the half gyro and half beef, half lamb. Excuse me. Boom, look at that. The french fries, the presentation. Yes, you got, and I like these french fries. Look at them. They're not soggy, it's crispy. You have the tomatoes, you have the onions, you just have the cilantro. OMG. I cannot wait to taste it. Now, before I taste that one, I definitely want to show you guys the other one. The presentation, the extra french fries. With this one, I told them extra tzatziki sauce. I just need that it's like a sour but pungent flavor that goes with everything. It goes with the meat. But yeah, let's get down, and I'm dying to try it. It's like so big, and it's like worth it. I believe it was like $9.85, but I put the price on the screen if I lied or mistaken. But cheers. OMG. No lie, guys. The extra tzatziki sauce is definitely needed. I'm just telling. I can just tell from the french fries, because the french fries is not... Okay, so the french fries, it don't seem like they're seasoned. It seems a little bit of salt, but I'm not getting a lot of salt, pepper coming through. So all the seasonings is coming from that tzatziki sauce. Babe, you have to try it. I'm telling you, the tzatziki sauce is coming through the onions, and then you get that bite from the onions, the tomatoes. It's just everything just complements each other real well. French fries nice and crispy. Excuse me. All right. So we had the regular beef. Now I'm curious about the lamb, because I like nice chunky lamb pieces. Look at that. OMG. It's the same thing. Tzatziki sauce. Now this one doesn't have a lot, but it's the same thing. It's coming through so well still. The meat, it just seemed like it's just seasoned so perfectly. Same thing, tomatoes, onions, the cilantro, everything's just perfect. And then of course, let's not even start to begin talking about the pita bread. The pita bread is just perfect. It just sits right on. It's so perfect, nice and soft. You can just see it just melts in your mouth. It breaks apart so easily. OMG. If you guys do come to Yiro Yiro, again, 2 takeaways. I do recommend extra tzatziki sauce. I don't care what they say. Now, if you're not a French fry lover, I don't know how you couldn't be, but if you are not one, definitely get it on this just to try it. You can always take them off. It's only like, I guess, what, a couple cents more. You can always take them off, or you can get the, you know, French fries on the side, but it's cheaper to get them on, and then you can eat them and put them on the side. So good. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you're in the Philadelphia area and you guys are interested in like Greek cuisine, I say Mediterranean, but they don't have too many Mediterranean options. They do have some desserts, but definitely you have to come to Philadelphia to try Yiro Yiro. There's no, I think we have one other gyro spot that we actually are going to try, so stay tuned, but this is a must taste.